What if one digital coin held the power to fuel an entire, rapidly expanding blockchain ecosystem? Imagine a cryptocurrency that's not just for trading, but deeply integrated into every facet of a vast Web3 environment. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. Today, we're diving into Binance Coin, or BNB, the native token of the expansive Binance ecosystem. Launched via an initial coin offering in 2017, BNB has evolved significantly. Initially an ERC-20 token on Ethereum, BNB migrated to its own blockchain, the BNB chain, in 2019, embodying its build and build philosophy. BNB is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's the foundational asset of a vast Web3 environment, powering the BNB chain ecosystem, including the BNB Smart Chain, BNB, and BNB Greenfield. The BNB Smart Chain, in particular, is an EVM-compatible execution layer designed for scalable and user-friendly decentralized applications. So what are the key uses that drive BNB's utility and value? One of its primary functions is paying for transaction fees on the Binance exchange. Users can receive a significant 25% discount on spot and margin trading fees, and 10% on futures trading fees, simply by using BNB for payments. BNB also serves as the essential gas token for transactions on the BNB Smart Chain, covering the computational resources needed for executing transactions and smart contracts. Holders can stake their BNB tokens to participate in network security and earn rewards, locking up tokens to help validate transactions on the BNB chain network. Staking also grants voting power for network governance, allowing participants to influence protocol changes and shape the future of the ecosystem. Furthermore, BNB can be used to participate in Binance Launchpad and Launchpool programs, offering access to new token sales and opportunities to earn new project tokens. BNB is integral to a thriving ecosystem of decentralized finance, or DeFi, applications and NFT platforms on the BNB chain. It supports a wide range of DeFi activities, including decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, lending protocols, and yield farming platforms. Beyond crypto, BNB can also be used for various payments, such as travel bookings, online services, and even virtual gifts, expanding its real-world utility. Now, let's consider the investment aspects. BNB's value is strongly tied to its utility within the Binance ecosystem and the broader BNB chain. As the ecosystem grows and more users engage with its features, the demand for BNB naturally increases, potentially impacting its market value. Binance employs a robust auto-burn system to gradually reduce the total supply of BNB, aiming for a circulating supply of 100 million BNB. This deflationary mechanism, involving burning a portion of gas fees and periodic quarterly events, is intended to increase the value of remaining tokens over time. However, like any cryptocurrency, BNB is subject to market volatility. Prices can fluctuate significantly due to market sentiment, regulatory news, and broader economic factors. The BNB chain ecosystem has demonstrated significant growth in active users and total value locked, with continuous development enhancing transaction speed and scalability. This ongoing innovation and expansion contribute to BNB's long-term potential, positioning it as a key player in the decentralized future. Could BNB truly be the backbone of Web3? With its comprehensive ecosystem, focus on scalability, low transaction fees, and diverse use cases, it certainly presents a compelling case. From DeFi to NFTs and gaming, BNB Chain is positioned as a significant player in the development of the decentralized internet. In summary, BNB is a multifaceted cryptocurrency deeply embedded in a dynamic and growing ecosystem, offering a wide range of utilities and investment considerations. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.